Okay, so here I am in section 8.4. I'm going to save you a lot of the work. Again, what we're trying to do is get a p-value, and there's some complicated formulas in here. So I'm starting on page 351, and there's some formulas like this standard error formula right here. I'm not going to have you do that. I'm not even going to have you do the z-score formula. All we're going to do when we run the test is what you're going to need to be able to do is, first of all, set up the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis. And then from there, you're just going to go over to your calculator. And in calculator lessons, I've highlighted the two sample proportions here. Go ahead and watch that video. And basically, when you run the test, all you're going to do is punch in your data for two sample proportions, and it's going to spit out all of this information for you. It's going to spit out the p-value, it's going to spit out the z-score, but really all we're interested in is the p-value. So all these formulas that they've got here, you do not need to know this. You can go through and find these p-hats, but again, you really don't need them. Your pooled estimate of the sample proportion, again, that'll be spat out to you by your calculator. So make sure you watch the video on calculators lessons on 2 proportion z-test, and you're using that. It'll save you a lot of time. Just to make sure you do know, you do have to check the conditions. So these are the conditions for the 2 sample proportion test, so make sure you check those conditions and then just jump to your calculator.